Here we have example C, or scenario C, which deals with Abigail, her brother Max, and flying a kite. Again, we have 3 points that we can use to construct a triangle. As such, with one point, point A being Abigail, point M being Max, and point K being the kite. In reviewing the scenario, we see that Abigail's angle of elevation to the kite is 65 degrees. We see that Max's angle of elevation to the kite is 70 degrees. And we know that Abigail, controlling the kite, has allowed 1,705 feet of string to be dispensed, giving us the distance from Abigail to the kite. Reviewing this, we see that we have 2 angles and one side that is not included between the angles. That being, it is not between the 2 angles. So this is angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side is again law of sines. So we will be using the law of sines to solve this scenario. Now, we are looking for the distance between Abigail and Max. We are looking for side K. So that means we will let K equal the distance between Abigail and Max. So in solving the law of sines, in order to use that and solve for K, we will need to know angle K, which is is unknown at this point, but it isn't within a triangle of which we know the 2 angles. And like all triangles, the 3 angles have to equal 180 degrees. So angle K would be the 180 degrees for all 3 angles minus the 2 angles we know, 65 degrees for angle A and 70 degrees for angle B, meaning angle K will measure 45 degrees. So knowing that, we are able to assemble our law of sines so that the sine of angle K, so the sine of 45 degrees over side K are unknown, equal the sine of angle M, or the sine of 70 degrees, over side M, 1,705. We have 2 ratios. To solve for K, we will use cross products. So K times the sine of 70 will equal 1,705 times the sine of 45. We want to solve for K, so we will need to divide away sine of 70. We will do it to both sides of the equation. Sine of 70 cancels out on the left, leaving us K is equal to 1,705 times the sine of 45 divided by the sine of 70, which is approximately 1,283 feet. So if we answer in the context, we're able to say that Abigail and Max are standing 1,283 feet apart. And there, ladies and gentlemen, is scenario C.